Hi, my name is Jake Woolley. I work with the Department of Energy. I'm the program manager for data center optimization. We have about 300 data centers scattered around about 78 locations across the United States. Some have a DCIM capability, but the majority do not. We are under a mandate as part of law and from also the federal government to do optimization and consolidation of our data centers. So we don't expect to keep all of those data centers as we look to consolidate. We do have a requirement to have all our data centers metered and operate in the most efficient manner. And we are looking now, we have a pilot going on with Nlyte to look for a DCIM capability that we could implement across the enterprise for all those organizations and data centers that do not have the capability to use. From an enterprise perspective, like within the DOE, I mean, our cybersecurity is a major driver, even for considering the DCIM capability. Knowing where the assets are, knowing what the assets are, and they're scattered. I mean, not all data centers are created equal. Some are, I mean, we have everything from scientific computing to high-performance computing to, SCADA systems, and I'm sure that's, somewhat common in many, major organizations, particularly government organizations. So we're spread out with a lot of different contractors. We're, we're not a one organization per se. I mean, the funding comes in and it goes down to different program offices. So there are a variety of data centers, and and not all of them are managed equally either. So we're looking for, obviously, as the Department of Energy, want to have energy savings. Even though that's not part of my IT budget, it's still a part of the department and taxpayer money to save energy, but then also to ensure that the data center are being managed efficiently, and also to assist as we look to move in which we already have workloads, but from an enterprise perspective, look to migrate to the cloud. And knowing what you have and the assets and the workloads that are necessary as you do the rationalization, the DCIM is kind of key to understanding that when you look at it from an enterprise perspective. We do have, a lot of the sites and the organizations within the department have their own, CMDB, their configuration management database for how they manage the different assets and things like that. So as part of what we were looking for is also a capability here, and Nlyte has that with the different plugins to be able to interface with a variety of CMDBs.
Okay.
Well, our future is hopefully fewer data centers, and those that we do keep are being well managed, both operational efficiency and energy efficiency. And we also have the capability then to know what assets we have in the data centers. We're able to, as necessary, report it and maintain, dashboard. But the key is at the data center level to ensure the data center managers have the tool to efficiently be able to manage their data centers. Well, we didn't necessarily have a aha moment here. I guess it was when we opened up and saw the mandate come from on high, from Congress, that says there are certain performance metrics we expect, as far as data center operation. They said in PUE standards, 100% metering. I mean, we do have certain mandates which are I guess, required of government agencies in order to meet. But the key here is truly it's a cultural change and understanding, be able to work with organizations to understand not just trying to comply with the mandate, but understand the value add that it does to it gives to the organization, and be able to better manage your data center assets and improve, and again, with the focus on trying to improve both the energy and operational efficiency, but also our cybersecurity posture.